Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is integration standard forms. These formulas are very important to solve any problem in integration. Without these formulas we cannot do any problem from this chapter. So we must learn these formulas. Let's start. Now first one, integral of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where c is integral constant. You must write this integral constant in answer. Okay, for example, integral of x power 8 into dx is equal to x power 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus c, that is x power 9 by 9 plus c. That's enough. Okay, now another one, integral of dx is equal to, integral of dx means 1 into dx is equal to x plus c. Here d by dx of x, d by dx of x is equal to 1. Derivation of x is 1, integral of 1 is x. Okay, are you understood? Now next one, integral of 1 by x into dx is equal to log x base e plus c. Derivation of d by dx of log e with respect to x, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Okay, now another one, integral of a power x into dx is equal to a power x by log a base e plus c. Okay, now another one, integral of e power x into dx is equal to e power x plus c. Derivation of d by dx of e power x also e power x. Integral of e power x is e power x. Okay, integral of next one, minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to 1 by x plus c. Here d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So my integral of minus 1 by x square is 1 by x. Okay, now integral of minus 2 by x cube into dx is equal to 1 by x square plus c. Derivation of d by dx of 1 by x square is equal to minus 2 by x cube. Okay, now another one, integral of 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 root x plus c. Okay, now derivation of root x, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x plus c. Okay, 2 taking this, 2 is constant, 2 taking this side, 2 root x, d by dx of 2 root x is 1 by root x, both are same. Integral of sin x into dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, integral of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, now integral of cos x into dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integral of tan x into dx is equal to log mod sec x plus c. Okay, log mod sec x value, d by dx of log mod sec x is 1 by sec x into d by dx of sec x. D by dx of log mod sec x is log in d by dx of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by sec x. Again derivation of sec x is sec x tan x. You can get tan x. Tan x is came. Now another one, integral of cot x into dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Now next one, integral of cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Derivation of tan x with respect to x, d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Similarly, d by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. Now next one, integral of sec x into tan x dx is equal to sec x plus c. Here d by dx of sec x, derivation of sec x with respect to x is sec x tan x. Okay, integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Similarly, integral of cosecant x cot x into dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Derivation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Both are same. Okay. Now another one, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c. D by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Okay. Integral of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to cos inverse x plus c. Similarly, here also same, d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Here differentiation and integration both are reciprocals. Okay, integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. D by dx of tan inverse x is similarly d by dx of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Here minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to, you tell, that is cot inverse x plus c. Integral of 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1 into dx. This is d by dx of sec inverse x. D by dx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1. Integral of this is sec inverse x plus c. Integral of minus 1 by mod x into root over x square minus 1 into dx is equal to cosec inverse x plus c. Now hyperbolic functions. Integral of sin hx into dx is equal to cos hx. Derivation of cos hx is sin hx. Integral of cos hx is into dx is equal to sin hx plus c. Integral of secant h square x into dx is equal to tan hx plus c. D by dx of tan hx is equal to sec h square x. Okay, integral of cosec h square x into dx is equal to minus cot hx plus c. D by dx of cot hx is minus cosec h square x. Okay, very easy now. Okay, now next one, integral of sec hx into tan hx is equal to minus sec hx plus c. Another one is integral of cosec hx cot hx is equal to minus cosec hx plus c. Now another formula, integral of 1 by root over 1 plus x square into dx is equal to sin h inverse x plus c. Derivation of d by dx of sin h inverse x is 1 by root over 1 plus x square. That is also log x plus root over x square plus 1 base e. Another one, integral of 1 by root over x square minus 1 into dx is equal to cos h inverse x plus c. Okay, integral of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx is equal to tan h inverse x plus c. Integral of 1 by 1 minus x square into dx also cot h inverse. Both are same, tan h inverse x and cot h inverse x. That's enough. Properties of integrals. Now first one, if the functions f and g have integrals, that means f is integral function, g also integral on I, then f plus g has integral, or f minus g also has an integral on I, and integral of f plus or minus g of x into dx is equal integral of f of x dx plus or minus integral of g of x into dx plus c. This is totally single function. Here having we have to write separate integral of f of x dx plus or minus integral of g of x dx. Okay. Now second property, if f has an integral on I, integral means integral function, and a is a real number, that is one constant, then a into f also has a integral on I, and integral of af of x into dx is equal to, a is a constant term, you have to write separate outside, a into integral of f of x into dx plus c. That's enough. Some other important formulas. Now first one, integral of e power ax into dx is equal to e power ax by a plus c. Proof of this formula, integral of e power ax into dx, put ax is equal to t, derivation of with respect to x on both sides, derivation of ax is a, derivation of t is d by dx of t, and dt by dx, dx is, these two places can be changed, dx is equal to dt by a. You have to write here e power ax is t, e power t, dx value is dt by a, that is equal to 1 by a, 1 by a is constant, 1 by a into e power t dt, that is equal to 1 by a, integral of e power t dt is e power t plus c, t value is ax, 1 by a into e power ax plus c. What is this? Integral of e power ax into dx, hence proved. That's enough. Now second one, integral of sine ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Proof here. Integral of sine ax plus b into dx, put ax plus b is equal to t, derivative on both sides with respect to x, d by dx of ax is a, derivation of b, that is constant 0, is equal to d by dx of t, dt by dx, these two places can be interchanged, dx is equal to dt by a, that is equal to integral of sine t, ax plus b is t here, dx is equal to dt by a. Okay, 1 by a write in outside, sin t into dt, 1 by a into integral of sin t minus cos t plus c, minus 1 by a, t value is ax plus b, cos of ax plus b plus c. What is this? Integral of sin ax plus b into dx. Now another one, integral of cos ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 by a into sin ax plus b plus c. Here also proof. Integral of cos ax plus b into dx, put here also ax plus b is equal to t, derivation of a with respect to x, that is ax, derivation of ax is a with respect to x. Okay, derivation of b is 0, that is equal to dt by dx, dx is equal to dt by a. We should write here cos t into dt by a, 1 by a write in outside, integral of cos t dt is sin t plus c, 1 by a into sin ax plus b plus c. Therefore, integral of cos ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 by a into sin ax plus b plus c. That's enough. Now next formula, integral of secant square into ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 by a tan of ax plus b plus c is integral constant. This proof we will be try. Okay, now another one, integral of cosec square into ax plus b into dx is equal to minus 1 by a into cot of ax plus b plus c. Okay, similarly another one, integral of cosec of ax plus b into cot of ax plus b into dx is equal to minus 1 by a into cosec of ax plus b plus c. Now next one, integral of sec of ax plus b into tan of ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 by a sec of ax plus b plus c. These four formulas proof you will be try. Okay, that's enough. Now most important some formulas. Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Another one, integral of f of x whole power alpha into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole power alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 plus c. Now next one, integral of f of x f dash of x by root f of x into dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Now another one, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Enough. You must learn these formulas because in my upcoming videos I will explain problems using these formulas. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget click on like button.